Hey folks, great you're watching again and welcome to this English summary. Well, today we started by taking a look at this pressure vessel. This has been delivered by Atlas Copco and well, pretty soon they are going to install a complete air pressure system with a compressor and also this pressure vessel in our workshop. So that's really great. But I have to do some preparations of course, and one of them is placing this pressure vessel somewhere inside of the workshop. Good. Well, first we take a look where to put it. The idea at first was to place it at the back, in the middle, above the doorway. And I was thinking about making some C-shaped frame, which I could bolt onto the gantry of the crane. Right? You see the cross member over there. I could use the magnetic drill and drill some holes and then bolt those profiles to it and then put the pressure vessel on top of those. The idea, well, why I wanted to do this is because all the stone walls are not that strong. But then we were looking and we thought it would be better to position the pressure vessel above the milling machine, and well, and then we should make some frames to, well, bolt it to the wall. Yeah, so we did this anyway. Yeah, over here they are. I don't think this needs a lot of explanation. It's pretty easy. We're going to bolt this part against the wall. As you can see, I made this pretty long because the tension force on these bolts at the top was pretty low. So we don't have any issues with the stone wall. That would do. On top of here, this is where the pressure vessel goes. Okay, well, we made this, applied some layers of paint. Well, and that's about it. Then we received 2 flanges from Renesse Diesel Service. That's the company who have tested the Type 69 diesel pump and also adjusted it, and they also repaired several of the injectors. Well, we want to do this for the BMP as well, and as you have seen before, I made some kind of clutch which can be assembled on the drive shaft of the fuel pump. The thing is, this drive shaft has a spline. We don't have anything which would fit this except from the original shaft from the engine, but we cannot use that one. So I made this clamp bush, aluminium, and also a flange and a shaft. At first I thought the shaft needed for the machine, for the testing bench, should be 35 millimeters, but it turns out we need a conical shaft. Therefore, Renesse sent me the flange of the machine, so I can adapt this shaft to fit on this flange. I have the flange over here. They sent 2 of them. Well, the thing is, this shaft is conical. You see, it's tapered. So we need to adapt the shaft of our connector, and therefore we need to adjust the lead a little bit on the the tool holder could be rotated 6 degrees for this tapered shape. Yeah, it was a little bit of a puzzle because all the lathes I worked on had 2 bolts for this tool holder to adjust, but this one has one hidden beneath the tool holder, so we have to retract it all the way, and then we saw the 3rd bolt there, and that did the job. So that was a little bit of puzzling, but anyway, that worked. After that, we machined the axle, the shaft, and after that, we made a threaded hole to hold this flange in position, of course. And then we needed this keyway. It was a little bit of an issue to clamp the shaft part in the milling machine. And then we thought it would be easier to make this keyway with the lathe. Well, and therefore we used the tool holder, and I measured the shaft diameter, so that was 20 millimeters. Then I placed a 20 millimeter drill inside of the movable chuck, and I could adjust the tool holder to this 20 millimeter drill. So when I would fit the workpiece inside of the tool holder, it would be nicely centered on the axis of the machine. Well, and then we put the tool holder on 6 degrees for the tapered shape of the shaft. So the tool, the drill or the machining tool is exactly how do you say, if we move it like this, it's not like this. It goes like this, huh? It's nice, straightened out. Okay, good. Then we machine the keyway, and that's nice. So after that, it was a little bit of assembling, and well, there's the end result. So this pump is completely ready for testing now. There it is. That's the flange that fits the machine. And then I hope to know pretty soon what's the how good or how bad our fuel pump is. And this is the last of the components we need to find out, and then we can order parts. Hopefully we can assemble everything pretty soon again and see if we can get it running. That would be nice. So I would advise you to watch next time again, of course. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.